Rednecks. Back at it again. Here's part 2 of the Detroit Muscle Car Show. Brought to you by Wild West Mustangs and Sunrise Ford. They're all just chilling out here, getting their rides all shined up before everything starts going good. I'll come on here and say a few words, a little bit about some of these. There were some really, really nice looking cars out there, guys. I was impressed. It wasn't that big of a show, but it was big enough. I got a better show coming up next Saturday for y'all. You don't like this one. But this is an all Ford show. So there's Mustangs, there's Cougars. There's one I don't think shouldn't have been in there, but it was in there. It was an 01 Grand Marquis. I don't know about that. Anyway. Remember, Renner's going to sign off here and let you watch the rest of the car show without my annoying voice in there. Anyway, y'all have a good one. Remember, love one another.
Well, I was
Be good to each other.
On the edge of town,
Remember,
where the
redneck
dirt
lotion.
roads meet the gravel ground.
Rednecks,
with a truck,
roll out.
seen better days, and a rebel soul that never fades. We're the ones who work and fight, with our boots on the ground and stars in the night. Raising hell, we don't need no crown, just a cold beer and a bonfire burning down. We're rednecks, proud and loud, and we ain't ever gonna back down. Got a pickup parked in the front yard and a flag that's faded but still stands guard. We're a little rough around the edges, true, but we know how to stick together through and through. We're the ones who work and fight, with our boots on the ground and stars in the night. Raising hell, we don't need no crown, just a cold beer and a bonfire burning down. We're rednecks, proud and loud, and we ain't ever gonna back down. Got a pickup parked in the front yard and a flag that's faded but still stands guard. We're a little rough around the edges, true, but we know how to stick together through and through. We're the ones who work and fight, with our boots on the ground and stars in the night. Raising hell, we don't need no crown, just a cold beer and a bonfire burning down. We're rednecks, proud and loud, and we ain't ever gonna back down. From the fishing hole to the county fair, we're the ones who get the job done and still care. We don't need a thing we can't see, long as we've got our freedom, we're living free. We're the ones who work and fight, with our boots on the ground and stars in the night. Raising hell, we don't need no crown, just a cold beer and a bonfire burning down. We're rednecks, proud and loud, and we ain't ever gonna back down. So here's to the ones who never quit. We're rednecks and we're proud of it. What do you think? Want to tweak anything or add a different vibe to it? I got a truck that's sitting high, chrome shining in the sky, the mud on the tires, Dixie flying, let's take her for a ride. Got a cooler in the back, tailgate down, we were rolling fast. Johnny's got his Mustang rev, let's see who's built to last. We're burning rubber, kicking dust, redneck riding, that's a must. Lifted trucks and muscle cars, midnight races under the stars, pedal clouds. Ain't no city boys around, just good old country sounds. Daisies in the shotgun seat, boots up on my dash, sipping on some homemade shine, laughing while we mash. We burning rubber, kicking dust, redneck riding, that's a must. Lifted trucks and muscle cars, midnight races under the stars. Pedal down, let the engines roar. We ain't stopping till we hit that shore. It ain't about the cash, it ain't about the fame. It's just about that southern pride running in our veins. We work hard, play rough, never backing down. If you ain't about this redneck life, then don't come round. So rev it up, let's hit the road. Running wild, let's let 'em know.